Okay, so there's WROQ's HD1, the HD2, which actually sounds quite messy here. And their HD3. And you kind of saw it at the beginning with
ediciones que fueron sometidas del año 2001. Díganos cuál es la fecha de prioridad de su petición.
oh, that I did not see coming.
Bueno, esa era mi pregunta. Entonces tengo que debe revisar la carta.
Yeah. So this video here, this I was only filming just so I could film a video of me trying to do a scan of WROQ's HD signal of their HD1, HD2, and HD3 channels. And WROQ being all the way out in Anderson, South Carolina, or northwestern South Carolina, me receiving it all the way in Charlotte, North Carolina, where I am. And I was expecting for me to just do just a plain scan, like, and definitely not any surprises. Until WROQ's HD1 did a weekly test just a minute ago at 8:15 or 8:16, just like 1 or 2 minutes ago. So that I definitely did not see coming because, again, all I was doing was just doing a scan. Just a scan of WROQ's HD signal. Now, and I get that me recording EAS alerts is my same, but only when I'm expecting it. Only when I'm there for the moment. This is not that. But there's WROQ, which, by the way, had to try my hardest to try and receive their HD, because here's WGNC's FM simulcast, or W266 DC, which is more closer to where I am than WROQ being all the way out. But, like, that's WGNC there. Let me get in some strength. That's WROQ. So by me extending this string antenna, that's how I was able to get it. And it flips back to WGNC. But definitely surprised there. Did not see that coming.